Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to start a gaming YouTube channel and actually make some money from it. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can start a gaming YouTube channel and actually make some money from it. So the very first thing is you're going to have to do just like every single other person does. Like every gaming YouTube channel wants to make money with ad revenue, but that's not how you're going to make money. Obviously, if you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you will get paid by YouTube. But since it's a gaming channel, there is a good chance that you're not actually going to make some money with it, because, well, not very much money, because there are a lot of gaming channels out there all trying to do the same and make money with ad revenue. So you want to find another way to actually make some money. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But the very first thing is you're going to do just like every gaming channel, you're going to record your screen as well as recording yourself, because that's what 100% of other people do. That's what people want to see when they're watching gaming channels. Okay, so inspire yourself by the big channels that are actually have a lot of views and a lot of subscribers. So you do that, but you're going to get to do a little twist on that one, and this is going to be a short video. I'm just realizing that, but that's okay. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to say, give them something to actually, so what you're going to do next is you're going to actually create a sales funnel. So a sales funnel, essentially, and I've made a video about this, about how to exactly create a sales funnel. And maybe I'll try and put a picture up or something like that if I find it, but I think I haven't recorded it. But anyway, a sales funnel is, the very first thing is when you start, you have your YouTube channel. The next thing is where people have a landing page. So they click on the link in the description of your YouTube video, they land on the landing page, and they enter their name and email, and then they get sold whatever you're trying to sell. But you want to have a reason for them to sign up to that, because if you just have it like that, people won't actually sign up. So what you do is you're actually going to give them a reason. So maybe it's going to be a free ebook about the best headphones to use for gaming, the best computers to use for gaming, the best whatever it may be. And what you're going to do next is you're actually going to have an affiliate program, because maybe it's headphones, maybe you're trying to get headphones, and you're going to suggest to them the 10 best headphones that exist in the gaming niche. So you have the 10 headphones that are the best, and all of them you put a link below, and that is an affiliate link. So you sign up to Amazon Associates or something like that, and you can get these links for 100% free. You can sign up for 100% free. Obviously you will have to pay to get a sales funnel, but if you want the cheapest way to do that, there's a link in the description which is the cheapest way to actually do that. So if you want to join my affiliate team for Builderall, you can do that. It's 100% free. Well, not 100% free, it's free for, I think, the first 7 days or something like that. So you use that, and then you're going to give them all these affiliate links, why these headphones are so good, and you know, as soon as somebody buys any of these headphones, and I'm just using this example of headphones, but it can be anything else. And when people click on that and actually purchase something, you will get a commission. And what's even better with Amazon is if somebody buys a pair of headphones from your link and then they scroll around, you know, for maybe they quit and they come back 24 hours later and they decide they want to buy a fridge or a TV or a computer, then you will also get the commission for all these things that they just bought, even though you never recommended a fridge or a computer or anything like that. You still get a commission if they buy it. So that's the wonderful thing about Amazon. So that is the best way to do that. So if you want me to go way more into depth about how to actually do this, you know, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to actually show you. Let me also know if you have any other suggestion of videos or anything like that, and I'll be sure to make a video about that. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.